It's your girl, His Imperial Savage, acronyms HIS, meaning I am his, and I am here today with another tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you how to premiere a video. First things first, you have to go to Google or Google Chrome and search YouTube Desktop. Now, click YouTube. It's going to pop up a dashboard, a YouTube Studio dashboard. Now what you want to do is look to your upper right hand corner. You'll see the icon that says create. You want to click create and then click upload video. Now what you want to do is select files. Select the files. And then proceed to the video that you want to premiere. Boom. Give it a second. Now you want to title your video. So I'm going to add the title based on my video. I'm going to update and tips to fix. Okay, so now that I've added my title, I'll do my description later. You want to upload a thumbnail. So you choose your image, and after that you want to specify whether it's made for kids or not. And no, this is really not made for kids, but a kid can watch it because there's nothing provocative in here. So after that's done, you want to click next. And these are just options, whether you want to add this end screen or an iCard. I'm going to do that later. Now you want to click public and then schedule your premiere video. I'm going to schedule mine for Friday 12 p.m. 12 p.m. and then click time zone, which is Los Angeles, and then set as premiere. So after that is done, you want to schedule. So this is pretty much just a confirmation saying that my premiere is on the date that I've chosen. Now it's just uploading. So I hope I've helped you guys. I know I have a lot of newbies or a lot of people like myself that didn't know how to premiere a video. And I hope this has helped. So you guys, this is the end. Let me know in the comments what else you guys want to see a tutorial on, and I'll do my best to make that happen for you. Alright guys, see you later.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.